Hey YouTube, before we get into this video, I'm just going to show you guys the before and afters. This is the stock puddle light bulb on the right side, and I'm going to show you the LED puddle light bulb right there. It's quite a bit brighter, although from far away you can't tell. So let's get started on how we're going to do this, shall we?
What's going on YouTube? Quinn Giles here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change the puddle lamps in a 2006 to 2012 Ford Fusion. This is a 2008 SCL V6. This might work on other Ford models as well. I don't know too much about it, so let's get to it. It's a lot easier than I thought. So, I have this out right now, but I'm going to show you how to take it out. But I have it out for one reason, so I can kind of show you the whole assembly here. Originally, when I was looking at these puddle lamps, I actually thought that you had to buy this whole assembly. I didn't think the bulbs came out. Turns out I was looking at the newer Fusions that I guess you have to do that with. With this, basically, this is tucked up in here, and you need to take the mirror and put it all the way that way, and then take the bottom out as much as you can. Let's not hit the car with the screwdriver here. And what you need to do, there's a little latch here that you need to push in. You just push that in when it's in there all the way in, and then you just apply some downward pressure. I was going to use this little thing to get up underneath here and pry it out, but I literally just stuck this screwdriver in here, pushed in the latch, and just pulled it down. So I'll show you how I did that. And then this little bulb here, we're going to, it's just a light, it's a T10 light bulb, which I'm switching with an LED, which I already have in. So let's pop that back up in there, and hopefully I'll be able to get that out with no problems. So as you can see, look down underneath, our puddle lamp is right in. It's like a square shaped one. What you're gonna do, again, the mirror is already facing that way. You're gonna take a screwdriver and you're gonna put it right in there, and you're gonna push down with pressure towards this way on that little latch that I showed you earlier. And then when you do that, this is a little bit hard, so there you go. You push it in, and then as you're pushing it in, you kind of go up like this with the screwdriver and just push it down. I thought, again, I was going to have to use this little thing while pushing down to pry it out, but this here is actually the easiest way. Again, push it in, and you pop it down, and it popped out as I did that. It was a little, it seems a little easier now that I already did it, but just keep messing around with it. You should be fine. So now you just pop it out here, and you just keep prying at it. So now I'm going to go over on this side and just put a little bit of leverage in there. Just a little bit. It shouldn't take too much force. It's just kind of stuck in there. It's just hard to get out. There you go. That's fully out there now. And you just pull it down like this. Now, to change the light bulb, it's very easy. You just turn this 45 degrees towards the back of the car. I think. No, towards the front of the car. So towards the hood, you're going to turn this and take that out, and then there's your bulb. This is an LED bulb that I put in here, so I'm not going to change the bulb, but you simply just pull it out and you replace it. If you're planning on reusing your halogen bulb, do not touch the lens with your greasy hands, and if you do, wipe it off and clean it off with an alcohol swab, because that'll burn out the bulb faster. So now with an LED bulb, all you need to do is make sure that you have it in the right way, and just keep the camera on the light bulb there. And there we go, it's turning on. So now that I know it turns on, there's no point in putting it back in there just to figure out you have it plugged in the wrong way. Halogens, it doesn't matter, but with LEDs, it does. So yeah, this LED is just a cheap eBay LED. It's a lot brighter than stock, and you can literally buy like 20 of them for like a couple bucks on eBay. You can buy colored ones too. Right now, I just had this white one laying around. I'm probably going to change them maybe to something purple, or just leave them like this. I don't really know. We'll see. But yeah, to put it back in, you simply, it's a little bit tricky, but you just put this back end up here first, and make sure you get the back end in before you get the clip in. So the back end is flush, and now you just push in that clip again and just go straight up, and it's a little bit tricky again, but there we go, and straight up it goes. Make sure the back end is good, nice and flush, because as I push that in, the back end, oh, there, and then there. It should clip right into place there. So again, there is the just stop there. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's on. So yeah, there it goes, and that's it. That's how you change the puddle lamp on a 2006 to 2009 or 2012 Ford Fusion. I hope that helped. Have a great day.